In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Perplexity AI. To get started, open your web browser and go to perplexity.ai. Once the site loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the official homepage. This is important whenever you're creating a new account online, just so you know you're signing up in the right place. When you're on the website, look over to the left sidebar and find the sign up button. Click that to begin the account creation process. If the page layout looks slightly different depending on your device or browser, don't worry. The option to sign up should still be clearly visible and easy to access. After clicking sign up, you'll be asked to choose how you want to create your account. You typically have a few options here. You can continue with Google, continue with Apple, or enter an email address manually. The best choice depends on what's most convenient for you. If you choose Google or Apple, the process is usually faster because it uses your existing account to sign you in securely. Just select the option you want, then follow the prompts that appear on screen. You may be asked to confirm the account you want to use and approve the sign-in request. If you prefer to sign up with an email address instead, enter your email carefully to avoid any mistakes. Using the correct email is important because you may need it for verification and future account access. Double check it before moving on so you don't run into issues later. Once you've chosen your sign-up method, the final step is verification. If you signed up with an email address, check your inbox for a verification message and open the confirmation link inside. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute and also check your spam or junk folder just in case. If you signed up with Google or Apple, you'll usually complete verification through the single sign-on process automatically by following the on-screen instructions. After that verification is complete, your setup is finished and your Perplexity account should be ready to use. At that point, you can return to the site and start exploring the platform. That's all it takes to sign up for Perplexity AI. Follow each prompt carefully, use a sign-in method that's easiest for you, and make sure your verification step is fully completed so your account is set up correctly.